Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Big John's Cooking. Today we're going to do some Kansas City strips out there on the grill. It's a little dark outside. Let me see if I can get some light going out there so we can get the camera out there and see what's going on. But we're going to be using that It's Incredible on there from Heavenly Made Products. So stay tuned for that. We're going to get these steaks seasoned up, get the grill fired up, and get ready to go. Stay tuned. Alright, we're going to heat these up pretty good. Alright, got the other side. So, looks good. These down a little bit. We're going to let them set for a little while. And get all familiar with the seasoning. Then we're going to head for the grill. Alright, got them on the grill. Not a whole lot of fire. Mine's over there away from the fire. I like mine's medium rare. Wife and my son. Well done, people. So we're going to let theirs go for a while. Let mine just ease into it, and I'll put it over the flame to give it a good sear. I'll give you a shot of it just as they get done, and I'll get ready to pull them off. Then we'll take them inside. So we're going to let these go for a while. We'll bring you back. Alright, time to pull these bad boys off. Take them inside, let them rest. Alright, that's a nice looking steak. If I have to say so myself. And that's a nice little piece to whack off there. Give that a taste. That's a nice medium rare there. That flavor of that It's Incredible, my friend. It's incredible. It's gotten deep inside of that meat. Oh my gosh. Great investment. Once again, James, thank you, man. Over there to aiming them and claiming them smokers. Go check him out. He's doing great things over there. All kind of barbecue, Mexican foods. Fantastic stuff. Thanks a lot, man. And if y'all like this video, give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Tell a friend about me. We'll see you on the next one.